Today we talk about how can you enable account restriction on your Roblox app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. So when you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down, you keep going down, then you click here on settings. So then you come to this list, and all you have to do, so you just click here on privacy here, then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video here. So then all you have to do, when it's going to open video, so it's going to show for you like this here. Come here to account restrictions, click in this sign. So when you just click on it here, then automatically it's going to enable with you in this color show for us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.